Hello Java developers. Let's create this type of pattern problems. First pattern problem is left-sided. This is right-sided triangle, and it is called left angle triangle. Okay, or inverted left triangle and pyramid. Okay, these are our star pattern problem using Java. Okay, let's create a file. Right-sided sided triangle dot java. Okay, तो हमारी पब्लिक क्लास बाय डिफॉल्ट क्रिएट हो जाएगी. Then main method public static void main. Then go inside this method and mm, take an variable int n equal to 5, then semicolon 4 int I equal to 1, I is less than n equal to n I plus plus, and go inside this loop and again create a loop int j equal to 1, semicolon j is less than equal to n minus I, and j plus plus j को अपडेट कर देंगे. Then print करेंगे empty space. Okay, empty quad, print spaces. Okay, then print करेंगे हम stars, print stars. ओके, for लूप लगाएंगे for int j equal to 1, j is less than equal to I, and j plus plus, go inside and print star and remove this ln. Then print for next line system.out.println for next line. Okay, this is all our program. I run this program. Okay, this is our output. Okay, हमारा क्वेश्चन प्रॉब्लम क्या था? ये रहा हमारा क्वेश्चन प्रॉब्लम. ओके, और ये हमारा आउटपुट. अगर आप चाहें तो n की वैल्यू 4 ले लेंगे और एस एम एस दिस पैटर्न प्रॉब्लम आप प्रिंट कर सकते हैं 4 रो एंड 4 कॉलम्स के लिए. ओके, सो मूव ऑन टू नेक्स्ट वन इज इन्वर्टेड right sided triangle. Okay, inverted right sided triangle dot java. This is our question problem that we are going to solve. So we need main method public static void main. Then go inside this method and initialize int n equal to लेंगे 5, semicolon 4 int I equal to लेंगे हम n, semicolon I is greater than equal to 1, semicolon and I minus minus. Go inside this for loop 4 int j equal to 1, semicolon j is less than and equal to n minus I, j plus plus. Then print free up space empty quad for loop 4 int j equal to 1, j is less than and equal to n, semicolon j plus plus. देन प्रिंट यहाँ पे हम कंडीशन देंगे आई तक. ओके, देन अवर स्टार पैटर्न remove ln from here. Then system.out.println for next line. Okay, now run our program. Let's see, here is our output of this program. sm is our question problem. So you can also find out this type of pattern problem. So now move on to next one. Next question problem is print from it star pattern. Okay, so from it star pattern dot java. Yeah, पब्लिक क्लास. देन हम अपनी क्वेश्चन प्रॉब्लम राइट कर लेंगे यहाँ पे. ओके, दिस इज अवर क्वेश्चन प्रॉब्लम. प्रिंट pyramid पैटर्न ऑफ स्टार्स. सो यूज main method. Inside this main method initialize our uh, n variable int n equal to 5, semicolon 4 int j equal to I equal to 1, semicolon I is less than and equal to n and I plus plus. Go inside this for loop and for again for loop int j equal to 1 j is less than or equal to n, and j plus plus system.out.println empty space, then again for loop for int j equal to 1 semicolon j is less than and equal to 2 multiplied by I minus 1 semicolon and j plus plus, then print our star pattern. Okay, print system.out.println for next line. Okay, so let's see our output. CLS. Okay, run this program. Okay, our output is not well because of this ln. Okay, run again our program. This is right angle triangle. Okay, sorry for that. What is wrong in it? ओके सॉरी, हमने यहाँ पे n माइनस आई नहीं लिया था फॉर आवर स्पेसेस. ओके, प्रिंट स्पेसेस. ओके, देन प्रिंट स्टार्स. ओके, रन करेंगे प्रोग्राम. So let's check it out. This is our parameter pattern of stars. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching this video.